This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2024-25 Donruss Optic Basketball Blaster 10-box eBay break. August 25th, 2025. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Rob E-N-E-A. Hope I said that right there. With the Grizzlies. We got Dreamer's Joy with the Wizards. Shields 30 with your Trailblazers and Bucks. Mentor Dave with the Hawks, Heat, Thunder, and the Cavaliers. We got Mastra 3740 with your Kings, Jazz, and Rockets. Ruck D-18 with the Raptors, Clippers, Magic, Pacers, and the Knicks. TTHO 7700 with the Spurs. MIC-637273 with the Suns. Blake.SYNNE with the 76ers. Orlando Jeff 2 with the Pelicans. Beefeater's Choice with your Nuggets. Bulls, Lakers, and your Pistons. We got DRUBIX123 with the Timberwolves. TVALLE 3083 with the Warriors. Red Sun 03 with the Mavericks. And we've got 3 Derek V with the Celtics. That is your full line up. All right. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 boxes. 2024-25 Donruss Optic Basketball Blaster box number 1. Guys, let's get the plastic off here. We do run through the base cards at a fairly steady pace. We do stop on all of the hits. If there's any cards you want us to go back on, please holler in the chat and we'll be happy to do so. Get our packs here out of box number 1 here. All right, empty box there. Okay, here we go, guys. Pack number 1. Out of box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. There's a purple. Taylor Hendricks, purple there for the Jazz. Nice Taylor Hendricks there. Purple for the Jazz. And we got a rated rookie. There's a SAR. Nice Alexander SAR there. There's a SAR for the Wizards. Nice rated rookie there. Nice SAR there. Rated rookie. Pack number 2 here. And we got a holo here. There's an Oubre Jr. Holo for the 76ers. Kyle, I'll double check that for you. Very sharp looking optical Tyrese Maxey, Allen Iverson there for the Sixers. That is sharp. That is a sharp looking card there. Very sharp. Nice optical illusions there. Maxey Iverson. That is a really sharp looking card. Very sharp. And a Legends Larry Bird there as well. Yeah, Kyle. Yep, you got him. Yep, DRUBIX123. Yep, I announced that with the T-Wolves. Yep, you got them, Kyle. Thanks for double checking, though. All right, guys, pack number 3 here. And there's a nice white hot rookies. Jared McCain, white hot rookie sharp card there, too, for the 76ers. Nice white hot rookies there. Jared McCain there. And we got a Cam Christie, rated rookie for your Clippers. Pack number 4. And there's a purple, Gary Trent Jr., purple there for the Bucks. That's just your eBay username there, Kyle. That's all. All right, guys. Pack number 5 here out of box number 1. We got another holo here. Isaiah Stewart. Hollow there for the Pistons. Nice Isaiah Stewart. And we got a My House Luka. Nice My House Luka there. Sharp looking insert there. For the Mavs too. Luka there for the Mavs. And a rated rookie there on the De Silva there too. Nice Silva. Rated rookie there as well for the Magic. Nice Tristan De Silva there. And last pack here, guys, out of box number 1. And there's a purple Tyrus Jones there. Nice Tyus Jones there for the Suns. That's a purple. And there's a Victor Wembanyama for the Spurs. Splash. That's a hollow, too. That's a hollow on that splash, too. Nice Wembanyama there for the Spurs. That's a sharp-looking insert there, that splash. Nice Legends Vince Carter there, too, for the Raptors. Box number 2. Plastic coming off here. Get our packs out here. Empty box. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. Box number 2. Here we go. And a hollow. Buddy Hield. Hollow there for the Warriors. Buddy Hield there. And we got a rated rookie. DeRon Holmes. Rated rookie there for the Nuggets. Pack number 2 here. And there's a purple Mitchell Robinson. Purple there for the Knicks. And we got an Express Lane. Jason Tatum there for your Celtics Express Lane insert there. Nice Tatum there as well. Those Express Lanes are sharp inserts too. Pack number 3. And there's a My House Jalen Brunson. That's a purple too. Definitely a purple there. On the My House, Jalen Brunson for the Knicks. Nice Jalen Brunson. Sharp looking card there. Nice My House there. And Jonathan Mogbo there. Rated rookie for the Raptors. Sharp My House there. Alright, pack number 4. And we got a purple rated rookie. KJ Simpson Jr. there for the Hornets. Nice purple rated rookie there. And there's a winner stays Shaquille O'Neal for the Lakers. Nice winner stays Shaq there. Sharp insert there as well. And a Legends Julius Erving for the Sixers. Legends. Pack number 5. Pack number 5. And there's a hollow Peyton Pritchard. Hollow there for the Celtics. Nice Peyton Pritchard there. And a rated rookie. Nice Terrence Shannon Jr. for the T-Wolves. Rated rookie there as well. Last pack here out of box number 2. Out of box number 2 here, we got a glitter coming up here. Damian Lillard for the Bucks. Damian Lillard. Glitter there for the Bucks. That is 40 out of 99. Nice Damian Lillard there. Sharp hit for the Bucks. Nice Damian Lillard. White hot rookies. Dalton Connect there too. Sharp card there. Nice Dalton Connect. White hot rookies there for the Lakers. Very nice there. And we got a Ben Wallace. Legends for the Pistons. Nice Damian Lillard. Nice Damian Lillard copper glitter. Sharp hit for the Bucks there. Nice Damian Lillard there. That's a copper glitter. Once again, it's 40 out of 99. Nice Damian Lillard there for your Bucks. Box number 3. Plastic coming off here. Get our packs out here. And empty box. Okay, here we go. Pack number 1 out of box number 3. Here we go. We got a purple DeMar DeRozan. Purple there for the Kings. Nice DeRozan there. That's a purple. And we got an Express Lane. Jokic for the Nuggets. Nice express lane there. Jokic there as well. Pack number 2 here. And we got a holo. There's a Milwaukee Branham holo there for the Spurs. Nice Branham holo there for the Spurs. And we got a rated rookie. Donovan Clingan for the Trailblazers. Rated rookie there. Pack number 3 out of box number 3. We got a purple here. Kevin Hooter. Purple for the Kings there. Nice purple there. And there's a winner stays. That's a purple too. Nice Kawhi Leonard winner stays there. Sharp looking insert there. Very nice for the Raptors. And a legend Steve Nash there for the Suns Legends. Pack number 4. Pack number 4. And there's a winner stays Dwayne Wade for the Heat. Winner stays insert there. Nice Dwayne Wade for the Heat. Winner stays. And a rated rookie there on the Baylor. Shireman. Rated rookie for the Celtics. Nice Shireman there. Rated rookie for your Celtics. Pack number 5 here. Got a holo. How about a Legends holo? Nice Hakeem Olajuwon. Nice Hakeem Olajuwon. That's a holo Legends there. Sharp looking card there. Another holo splash. Anthony Edwards for the T-Wolves. That's a sharp looking card there too. Nice holo splash. Anthony Edwards there for the T-Wolves. Very sharp there as well. Last pack here, guys, out of box number 3. Got a purple. There's a Jackson. GG Jackson purple for the Grizzlies. Rated rookie. Adam Bona. Rated rookie for the Sixers. And there's a Legends Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Nice Legends Kareem there, too, for the Lakers. Very nice Kareem Legends. Box number 4. Plastic coming off. Get our packs out here. Empty box. Okay, here we go. Pack number 1. Out of box number 4. Here we go. And a purple Clint Capella. Purple there for the Hawks. Nice Clint Capella there. Purple for the Hawks. Yeah, those are sharp looking inserts there, Kyle. That splash, it is sharp. Pack number 2 here. And we got a holo. There's a Sengun holo there for the Rockets. Nice holo for the Rockets. And we got an express lane. Another nice Tatum express lane there. Another nice Tatum express lane there as well. And we got a Harrison Ingram. Rated rookie for the Spurs. Pack number 3 here. Pack number 3. And how about a purple splash Curry? Nice purple splash Curry. That's sharp looking for the Warriors. Nice purple splash Curry. That's a really sharp looking card there. Nice Curry there. Purple splash. Pack number 4. Out of box number 4 here. Got another purple here. There's a Kamara. Purple for the Trailblazers there. Nice purple for your Trailblazers. And another Express Lane Trae Young. Express Lane Trae Young there for the Hawks. And we've got a Donovan Clingan rated rookie for your Trailblazers. Another Clingan there. Pack number 5. Pack number 5 here. We've got a holo. Andre Drummond holo there for the Sixers. Nice Drummond holo there for your Sixers. There's a Steve Nash Legends. Another nice Steve Nash Legends there. And a rated rookie, Baylor Shireman there for the Celtics rated rookie. All right, last pack here out of box number 4. And a purple, Michael Porter Jr. Purple there for the Nuggets. Nice Michael Porter Jr. Got a winner stays. How about Larry Bird for the Celtics? Nice winner stays, Larry Bird for the Celtics there. Okay, box number 5. Plastic coming off here. Get our packs out here. Empty box. Okay. Here we go. Pack number 1. Box number 5. Here we go. And we got a purple Jamal Murray. Purple there for the Nuggets. Nice Jamal Murray. Followed by a My House. How about a Reed Shepherd My House rookie? Definitely a holo, too. Nice Reed Shepherd My House holo rookie there for the Rockets. Sharp card there, too. And an Allen Iverson Legends for the Sixers. Nice Allen Iverson there, too. Nice Shepherd My House holo there, rookie. Pack number 2 here. Purple. There's a Moritz Wagner. Wagner for the Magic. Purple there. Nice purple there. We got a... There's a Kawamura there. Rated rookie for the Grizzlies. Nice Kawamura there. And a Legends Dennis Rodman there. Nice Legends Dennis Rodman for the Bulls. Dennis Rodman there. Pack number 3. Pack number 3. And we've got a winner stays Kawhi. Nice Kawhi Leonard winner stays there for the Raptors. Nice Kawhi there. And an Antonio Reeves, rated rookie there for the Pelicans. All right, pack number 4. Pack number 4 here. Got a holo rated rookie. Holo rated rookie for the Pistons. Ron Holland. Nice Ron Holland, holo rated rookie there for your Pistons. Very nice holo rated rookie there. Very nice. Followed by a white hot rookies. Donovan Clingan for the Trailblazers. Definitely a purple there, too. Nice white hot rookies there. Donovan Clingan for the Trailblazers. Sharp card there as well. Pack number 5. Out of box number 5. And we got a purple rated rookie for the Pelicans, Antonio Reeves. Nice purple rated rookie there for the Pelicans, Antonio Reeves. Nice purple there. And we got a Bobby Klintman rated rookie for the Pistons. Klintman there, rated rookie for the Pistons. All right, last pack here out of box number 5. Got a holo. Cason Wallace. Holo there for the Thunder. Nice Cason Wallace. There's a My House. Cody Williams, My House there. Rookie for the Jazz there. Nice Cody Williams, My House rookie there. Okay, box number 6. Plastic coming off here. Get our packs out here. Empty box there. Okay, here we go. Pack number 1. Box number 6. Here we go. We got a holo rated rookie. Holo rated rookie. Keyshawn George. Nice holo rated rookie there on the Keyshawn George for the Wizards. Nice holo rated rookie there. Legends. Magic Johnson for the Lakers. And we got a rated rookie there. KJ Simpson Jr. for the Hornets. Rated rookie. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. And we got another splash, Kevin Durant. Holo splash, Kevin Durant for the Suns. Sharp hit there for the Suns. Nice Kevin Durant. And another nice Allen Iverson. Legends there for the Sixers. All right, pack number 3 here. And we got a purple Klay Thompson. Purple for the Mavericks there. Nice Klay Thompson. And Express Lane. Nice Wembayana Express Lane insert there, too. Nice Wembayana for the Spurs. Express Lane. And there's a Kawamura. Rated rookie for the Grizzlies. Yuri there. All right. Pack number 4. And we've got a holo. Ja Morant. Nice Morant holo there for the Grizzlies. Nice Morant there. And another nice Dennis Rodman Legends for the Bulls there as well. Pack number 5 here. And we got a purple rated rookie, Cam Spencer for the Grizzlies. Purple rated rookie there. Nice purple there. And an Express Lane. That's a purple Express Lane, too. Jason Tatum. Nice Tatum. That's a purple Express Lane there. Nice Tatum there. Purple Express Lane. And an Antonio Reeves. Rated rookie for the Pelicans there. All right. Last pack here out of box number 6. Looks like we got another glitter coming up here. And we got a Cole Anthony for the Magic. 61 out of 75. 61 out of 75. Nice red glitter there. Cole Anthony there for the Magic. We got a Winter Stays. Nice Jokic Winter Stays insert there for the Nuggets as well. Nice red glitter there. Cole Anthony for the Magic. Very nice. Cole Anthony. Red glitter for the Magic. Once again, 61 out of 75 there. Very nice. Cole Anthony for the Magic. All right. Box number 7. Get our packs out here. Empty box. Okay. Here we go. Pack number 1. Pack number 1 here out of box number 7. We got a holo. Andre Drummond. Another nice Drummond holo there for the 76ers. Nice white hot rookies. Oh, that's a Castle. There's a Stephen Castle. White hot rookies for the Spurs. That's definitely a purple too. Nice Castle for the Spurs. Purple white hot rookies. Nice here for the Spurs there. Nice Castle. Very nice. And a Jared McCain rated rookie there for the Sixers as well. Nice Castle there for the Spurs. Very nice Castle there. Pack number 2 here. Pack number 2. And we got a purple Tyus Jones purple there for the Suns. Nice Jones purple there for the Suns. And there's a Dominique Wilkins Legends for the Hawks. Nice Dominique Wilkins there. Pack number 3 here. And there's an Express Lane. Donovan Mitchell for the Cavs. Express Lane insert there. Nice Donovan Mitchell. And a Cody Williams rated rookie for your Jazz. Pack number 4 here. And we got a holo. Kyle Anderson. Holo there for the Warriors. Nice Kyle Anderson. And an Express Lane. There's a Gilgeous Alexander. That's definitely a holo too. Nice Gilgeous Alexander Express Lane there for the Thunder. Real nice shade there. Very nice. All right. Pack number 5. And we've got a purple Dwayne Wade. Ooh, purple Legends Dwayne Wade. Purple Legends Dwayne Wade there for the Heat. Nice Dwayne Wade purple Legends there. Deron Holmes, a rated rookie there for your Nuggets as well. Okay. Last pack here out of box number 7. And we've got a holo, TJ McConnell. Holo there for the Pacers. And a Winter Stays, Jaylen Brown. Winter Stays there for the Celtics. Insert there, nice Jaylen Brown. And we got a Jonathan Mogbo there, rated rookie for the Raptors. All right, box number 8. Plastic coming off here. Get our packs out here. Empty box. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. Box number 8. Here we go. We got a holo. Cameron Johnson. Holo there for the Nets. Nice Cameron Johnson. We got a rated rookie there. Deron Holmes. Rated rookie there for your Nuggets. Pack number 2 here. Purple rated rookie Kyle Filipowski for the Jazz. Nice Kyle Filipowski. Purple rated rookie there. Very nice for the Jazz. And how about a Winter Stays Curry, too? That's a purple Winter Stays Curry. Very sharp Winter Stays purple Curry there. Nice Curry for the Warriors. And a rated rookie Jonathan Mogbo there as well for the Raptors. Another Mogbo there. Pack number 3. Pack number 3 here. And we've got a Winter Stays Dirk Nowitzki. Nice Dirk there. Winter Stays for the Mavs insert there. And a Julius Erving Legends there. Nice Julius Erving Legends there for your Sixers. Pack number 4. Got a purple. There's an Oubre Jr. Oubre Jr. there. Purple for the Sixers. Nice purple there for the Sixers. And a Winter Stays holo Kawhi Leonard for the Raptors. Nice holo Winter Stays Kawhi Leonard there for the Raptors. And a Terrence Shannon Jr. rated rookie for the T-Wolves. Wolves anytime. Pack number 5 here. And a holo rated rookie. Terrence Shannon Jr. There's the T-Wolves. Holo rated rookie. Nice Terrence Shannon Jr. Holo rated rookie there, too. Nice holo. Nice holo there. And a Ben Wallace Legends for the Pistons, too. All right, last pack here, guys, out of box number 8. And looks like we may have another glitter here. And we do. We've got... How about a Terry Rozier? Glitter there for the Heat. Terry Rozier. That's 104 to 275 on the Terry Rozier. Nice pink glitter there. Nice hit for the Heat there. And we got a My House. Gilgeous Alexander, My House there. Nice shade there for the Thunder. And a Dylan Jones there for the Thunder rated rookie there. Nice Dylan there as well. A pink glitter. Terry Rozier there for the Heat. Pink glitter. Very nice there for the Heat there. Nice pink glitter there. That is 104 to 275. Very nice for the Heat. Nice pink glitter there. Okay. Box number 9. Plastic coming off here. Box number 9. Get our packs out here. Empty box. Okay, pack number 1 here, guys. Pack number 1 here out of box number 9. Here we go. And another holo. Legends holo. Nice Vince Carter. Legends holo. Vince Carter there. Levi, welcome. Thanks for your support. Appreciate it. Nice splash. There's another splash. Anthony Edwards there for the T-Wolves. Nice splash. Insert there. And we got a Tristan. Rated rookie there for the Magic. De Silva there as well. Pack number 2 here. And we've got a purple Legends Pau Gasol for the Lakers. And a Legends Vince Carter. Nice Legends Vince Carter there as well. Kyle, the last one might have been a holo, if I remember correctly. Same insert, though, yes. Pack number 3 here. Here's a holo Kevin Huerter for the Kings. Holo there. And we got a Winter Stays Shaq. That's a holo. Shaq Winter Stays. Nice Winter Stays Shaq holo there for your Lakers. And a Tyler Kolek. Rated rookie for the Knicks. Pack number 4 here. And we got a purple rated rookie, Cam Spencer. Nice purple. Cam Spencer rated rookie there for the Grizzlies. And we have an Express Lane, Ron Holland, Express Lane rookie there for the Pistons. Nice Ron Holland. Pack number 5 here. And we got a purple Robert Williams for the Trailblazers. Purple there. And we got a Winter Stays. Another nice Jason Tatum. Winter Stays insert there for the Celtics. And there's a Versace. There he is. Rated rookie for the Hawks. There he is. There's a nice Zachary there. There's a Zachary rated rookie there. All right, last pack here, guys, out of box number 9. Here we go. And we've got a holo Anobi for the Knicks. Holo there. And we have an Express Lane Kevin Durant. That's a purple. Yes, it is. That's a purple Kevin Durant Express Lane there for the Suns as well. Okay. Box number 10, plastic. Coming off some housekeeping notes, guys. All cards do ship here at Cardboard Hobby. All cards do ship. CardboardHobby.com as well. We do have breaks filling on our website. Empty box there. Don't miss out on those. And we keep our break schedule up to date there as well. Okay, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 10. Good luck, everybody. And we got a holo. There's a Bridges. Nice Bridges holo there for the Knicks. Nice Bridges holo there. Pack number 2. Pack number 2 here. And we got a purple splash. Gilgeous Alexander for the Thunder. Nice Gilgeous Alexander. That's a purple splash, too. Those are sharp looking. Very nice. Keyshawn George there. Rated rookie there for the Wizards as well. Nice George there as well. And a Legends Hakeem Olajuwon there. Pack number 3. And we've got a Strother purple there for the Nuggets. Nice Strother purple there. And a white hot rookies. Another nice Dalton Connect. White hot rookies there for the Lakers. A nice Dalton Connect there. And a Kyle Filipowski. Rated rookie for the Jazz. Nice Filipowski there as well. Pack number 4 here. Got another glitter coming up here, guys. Looks like a copper glitter. And we've got Jalen Suggs for the Magic. That is a copper glitter. That is 29 out of 99. Nice Jalen Suggs. Copper glitter there. Legends Carmelo Anthony for the Knicks too. Carmelo Legends there. Very nice. Jalen Suggs. That's a copper glitter there. Very nice there for the Magic. Nice Jalen Suggs. That's 29 out of 99. Nice there for the Magic there. Okay, we got 2 packs left here. Pack number 5. Pack number 5 here. And we got a purple rated rookie. Zach Edey. Nice Zach Edey there. Purple rated rookie for the Grizzlies. Very nice. Very nice. Hey, My House Anthony Edwards. Nice My House Anthony Edwards there for the T-Wolves. Another nice My House insert there. And a Ron Holland rated rookie for the Pistons. All right, last pack. Here we go. And we got a holo. There's a Najee Marshall. There's a Marshall holo for the Mavericks. For the Mavericks there. And another Splash Luka. How about a Splash Luka for the Mavericks? That's a holo too. Nice Splash Luka there. As well. And a Legends Dirk. Another nice Legends Dirk Nowitzki there for the Mavericks. All right. Hit recap coming at you here, guys. We had a copper glitter, Jalen Suggs there for the Magic. That is 29 out of 99. Nice Jalen Suggs. Copper glitter there for the Magic. How about a pink glitter? Terry Rozier there for the Heat. That's a pink glitter, too. That's 104 to 275. Nice Terry Rozier for the Heat. Nice hit for the Heat. How about a red glitter? Cole Anthony for the Magic. Nice red glitter there. 61 out of 75. Very nice hit for the Magic there. Nice Cole Anthony. Red glitter. And a copper glitter, Damian Lillard for the Bucks. Nice Lillard. 40 out of 99. Nice Lillard there. Very nice. Copper glitter. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really appreciate it. Once again, cardboardhobby.com. We do have breaks also filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. Got a fantastic break scheduled tomorrow night as well. Don't miss out on those. I will be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much again for all of your support. Please be smart. Be safe out there.